Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Mercedes-Benz C-Class. First, ensure your smart key is fully inserted into the ignition slot. Next, turn the key clockwise to the second position, which illuminates your dashboard lights. Then, continue turning the key to the third position to engage the starter motor. As soon as the engine fires up, release the key and it will spring back to position 2. It's a straightforward process. For C-Class models equipped with keyless go, starting your car is even simpler. Just make sure your smart key is inside the vehicle, perhaps in your pocket or purse. Then, firmly press down on the brake pedal with your foot. With the brake engaged, simply press the engine start/stop button located on the dashboard. The engine will smoothly come to life, ready for your journey. This feature offers great convenience. Sometimes you might encounter a minor hiccup when starting. If the engine cranks slowly, your 12-volt battery might be low and need a charge or replacement. Always ensure your steering wheel is not locked, as this prevents starting. Also, confirm the gear selector is firmly in park or neutral. If the car still doesn't start, try using your spare smart key. These simple steps often resolve most common starting issues. Safety is paramount when operating any vehicle. Always engage the parking brake when you park, especially on inclines, to prevent accidental movement. Never leave children or pets unattended in the vehicle, even for a short time, due to temperature risks. If the engine is running while stationary, ensure adequate ventilation to avoid carbon monoxide buildup. Always refer to your Mercedes-Benz owner's manual for comprehensive information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.